Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tina in the house. Yes guys, yes. And today we're gonna make some jerk chicken reggae pasta salad. Alright, our reggae pasta. So here guys, I have some jerk chicken and some of the gravy leftovers. Alright, this is leftovers jerk chicken. And I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna use while we get into the video. I'm gonna put a little bit of salt in my water. About half teaspoon salt, and I'm gonna add some olive oil, about a tablespoon. I'm gonna add some pasta. All right, and this is the type I'm using. You can use any type of your choice. Pour that into the water, and now I'm gonna add a cup of my mixed vegetable, frozen mixed vegetable. And I'm gonna cook this pasta. You want to cook it for about say 12 to 14 minutes guys, and the pasta should be cooked. All right, add about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, about 1, 2. I have garlic, onions, thyme, scallion, and I preserve my scallion. I cut it up and freeze it. So we're gonna saute this. Oh my goodness, the scallion, thyme, garlic. Ooh. And this is my blended seasoning. I will leave a link. Good for all type of food guys. All right, and I'm gonna add like a teaspoon. All right. Ooh, smells so good guys. I have some frozen bell peppers of all colors, and I'm gonna add this. Can you see the colors already guys? And the mixed vegetable not going there yet. Ooh, with the pasta. Oh yes. Some jerk chicken, I pick it up. This is just the hip part, and you know, I pick it up and all. We're gonna pour this in. It's about a cup and a half or 2 cups. Turn up the stove a little more. Can you see the goodness guys? Now I have some of the leftovers jerk chicken gravy. I'm gonna add some in now. Few tablespoons. I have some Worcestershire sauce. I'm gonna add like 2 teaspoons. I have this fried rice sauce. I'm gonna add like a tablespoon. Woo. See black there guys? Haha. Mix this up. You know you can't finish off this without adding some coconut milk. I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of this coconut milk. All right guys, this is ready, and my pasta is ready. I drain it off, and we're just gonna add it to it. Oh my goodness guys, the flavor in this thing. Woo! I'm just gonna add a little bit of parsley flakes to it, and it should be good, ready to serve. I just come up with the name guys, and I said let me try something different. So this is my new jerk chicken reggae pasta medley. All right, I have my pasta bowl, and we're just gonna plate some in. Oh boy. I'm gonna Put a little bit of parsley for garnishing. I have a piece of fresh mint. I'm just gonna set it in the top, something like so. If you have leftovers jerk chicken, please make some pasta. Really yummy and delicious, and you can add whatever you want to it. All right, you make enough for a whole family. All right guys, love upon me and I love upon you. Bye guys.